Hello everybody, and in today's video, we're gonna be unboxing this Lenovo laptop. So I just bought this today, and let's just unbox it. So step one of unboxing a box is get knife. Step two, cut box with said knife. Ow. So I need to cut right here. Oh yeah, so one tip on cutting, if you're cutting anything, then cut away from you so that you don't accidentally lose grip and then it cut you, because that would be bad. This is styrofoam, that is sad. But here is thy laptop. It is gray. Gray is gray. So yeah, pretty cool laptop. It has a little Lenovo thing right here. So actually, I'm gonna put this up right